How to create an account on Codemate.ai. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Codemate? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop device. Once you open the Chrome, now search for Codemate AI. Now tap on the first option, Codemate, your personalized and secure AI peer programmer. Now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the Get Started button. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be forwarded to new page. Over here you can see multiple options. If you want to create your account using a Google, just simply tap on this Google icon. Now select your Gmail account. Tap on continue. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna create an account on Codemate AI. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.